In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate WhatsApp with HubSpot using the HubSpot app marketplace. This integration can be incredibly beneficial for managing your communications and streamlining your customer relationship efforts. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to navigate to the HubSpot app marketplace. This is your go-to destination for finding all sorts of useful apps that can integrate with HubSpot and enhance your productivity. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for WhatsApp integration. There are a variety of apps available, but two of the popular choices are Timelines AI and EasyBee. Both of these apps provide robust features for managing your WhatsApp communications within HubSpot. Spend a moment reviewing each app if you like to see which best fits your needs. After selecting an app, click the Install App button or whatever equivalent button you see. Each app might have slightly different terminology, but generally it will be straightforward. At this point, you'll follow the specific instructions provided by the app for installation. This process is usually intuitive, but make sure to read each step carefully to avoid any mishaps. Next, you'll be prompted to log into your HubSpot account. This is essential as you need to grant the necessary permissions to the app. This will typically include allowing the app to sync messages and contacts. Think of it as linking your phone's address book with your computer calendar. You're enabling these two platforms to speak to one another. Allow these permissions so the integration can function as intended. Once the app is connected, it's a good practice to verify that the contact properties sync properly between HubSpot and the app. This step is crucial to prevent any issues that might crop up later on. Proper syncing ensures that your messages and contact details are up to date and consistent across both platforms, which is vital for maintaining efficient communication with your contacts. To further ensure everything is working smoothly, take some time to explore any additional settings or features the app offers. Many of these integrations come with customizable settings to refine your workflow, so it's worth investing a few minutes to tweak them according to your preferences. And there you have it. A straightforward guide to integrating WhatsApp with HubSpot using the app marketplace. With your WhatsApp communications now syncing into HubSpot, managing your customer interactions should become a more streamlined and efficient process. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.